Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. In last session we have completed practice set 1.1. Now today we will start basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. It is a statement of basic proportionality theorem. Given in triangle ABC, line L parallel to line BC and line L intersects AB and AC in point P and Q respectively. To prove AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC. Construction. Draw segment BQ and segment CP. And segment BQ. Proof. Triangle APQ and triangle BPQ have a common vertex Q. APQ and BPQ, and their AP and BP lie on the same line. AB, hence they have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle BPQ equal to AP upon PB. Triangles having equal heights. Triangles having equal heights. Also, triangle APQ and triangle CPQ have a common vertex P. Triangle APQ and triangle CPQ common vertex P, and their bases AQ and QC lie on the same line AC. Same line AC. Hence, they have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle CPQ equal to AQ divided by QC. Reason: triangles having equal heights it is denoted by first equation and it is denoted by second equation. Segment PQ is the common base of triangle BPQ and triangle CPQ. BPQ and CPQ. Therefore, triangle BPQ and triangle CPQ lie between parallel lines PQ and BC. PQ and BC. Triangle BPQ and triangle CPQ have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle BPQ equal to area of triangle CPQ. It is denoted by third equation. Reason: areas of two triangles having equal base and height are equal. Therefore, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle BPQ equal to area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle CPQ. From equation first, second and third. First, second and third. Therefore, AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC. From equation first, second and fourth. Converse of basic proportionality theorem statement: if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. In the adjoining figure, line L intersects the side AB and side AC of triangle ABC in the point P and Q respectively, if AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC. Hence, line L parallel to segment BC. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.